Guys, so we're going to make slime today. This is my sister and this is my cousin and this is me. They already made the slime and I did it too, but I don't think it's gonna work out, so I'm gonna do it another time. Let's get started. For this slime we need toothpaste and some sugar. So let's start adding it in. First off, we need to add toothpaste. So it's white. There we go. White. My sister's gonna talk Slovene because she doesn't know how to speak English.
We are from Slovenia.
We know that. So this is my toothpaste. Actually, it's wrong. It doesn't matter. Oh, we need to mix it up first.
Oh my god, this is so slimy.
Oh no,
I love this slime.
I'm gonna just use this spoon.
Look at this.
I'm gonna just use this spoon.
Can I have your slime?
Yeah, I'm gonna have it.
Okay. Why are you younger?
There we go.
So maybe we want
So I'm gonna just mix it
go
up
to
and
the freezer and
we're gonna be back soon. So guys, we're gonna now add some sugar. Here we go. Sugar. Okay, we're gonna mix it up and we're gonna be back soon. So yeah. So we have my slime here. We're gonna cover it up with my sister drew something on it, so yeah. There we go. Here we have it, slime. So let's go.
Open ice tea. Moramo priti. Open ice tea.
Yes.
Druga mama mi veni več prostorati. Ok, mogoče pa je.
Here we go.
Ven. Oh, Marliva.
It's gonna be a part 2 to this, so see you then. Bye.